Hello, this is my new Mario Kart and design, and I will tell you all about it. So, there is a light which is powered when a car is near enough for you to hook, which I will tell you about later. And there is a TV which is there, which you can turn into TV mode. You can turn into front mode. You can see out front to see if there's any cars, which will turn the light on. And you can look back mode, which won't turn the light on, but there is a backup light there, which is inside. And yes, so there is a luxurious seat bed concentrate seat thing, which has an attachment table, so that's about there, which is he's sitting on at the moment, which has an attachment table, so that will come out this way, with a glass of water you can put on it. And then there's a cupboard with a pillow and a duvet, and that's about here, I'd say. So you can go get the pillow and duvet when you've put it back into sleeping mode. And then there's the concentrate mode, which puts you forward into proper posture so you can concentrate really well. And then there's normal mode, which you can just slouch in like me. I would probably keep it in normal mode if I was wanting to win. So there are the tactics that I've got. There is a police siren there, which get people out of the way as if you're real police. And then there's a hook, which I was talking about earlier here, and that can hook the nearest car if you press the hook button, and it pulls them back to you, and you go to where they were. And then there's a go fast button, which is just by the seat there, and it's green, and that makes you go fast and boost you forward to the nearest car. And yeah, that's the tactics. But then I've also got a special track that I just need to go get quickly. Here it is. So it's not coloured in yet, but I've got the starting here, and then it goes. There's a rock that they have to mind out the way because they can't jump very well. Then there's water which they have to swim through. There's a bridge that they have to climb up. And all of this, by the way, is all with really slippy ice, so they could fall over any minute. And then there's a herd of cows that they have to push past. And then there's a goo lake which they can't jump over, so they have to swim through goo. And this is my special thing. So if they just got out and I was here, I would hook them back to where you are. You wouldn't have to go through the goo lake, and they'd have to go twice. And then there's a tiny little jump, and then it gets a bit bigger, and then it's a medium one, and then it's a big one, and then there's a big lake, and then there's loads of these little cows that you have to push your way through, and it's a big sprint to the end, so that's when I would use my hook. And that is the finish. Thank you for watching, everybody, and goodbye!